This Christian Yin sequence is to combine mindful movement with prayer intentions to release any stress, tension, and anxiety that you hold on to in the neck, the shoulders, and the hips. We'll begin with a straight spine, closing down our eyes, beginning to set our prayer intention. What is it in your heart that you need to ask God for today? Make that prayer intention now and relax into your breath. Now bring the hands in prayer pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale everything out of the mouth. Lift that intention high up to the heavens. Exhale, release the fingertips. Bring the fingertips down by your side. And our first pose will be in child's pose. Maybe the knees will be close together, maybe far apart. Take the posture that suits you so that you can anchor down, connecting the sit bones to your heels, resting the forehead on the earth beneath you, extending the arms out. With long, deep breathing, as you relax into this pose, release and let go of anything that you're holding on to. Turn it over to God. Long, deep breathing. Let go and let God. On the next inhale, very gently walk your hands back, lifting the head, the neck, and the shoulders, coming to a straight spine. Moving into tabletop, just taking this as a transitional pose. Maybe making any micro movements like wag the tail or some cat-cows before moving into our next pose. When you're ready, take the right knee behind the right hand, coming into pigeon pose, or also known as sleeping swan. And begin with a straight back. Up on your fingertips, just noticing the sensations. And then when you're ready, with a deep inhale, tuck the chin into the chest and fold forward to the point of resistance that works for you. And here, when you find your full expression, again, lay it down at the foot of God. Let go, let God, hand it over, release. And begin to feel that faith and trust that God is going to guide you. Relax into the pose, long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose, coming up one vertebrae at a time to a straight spine. Moving through tabletop again. Make any micro movements that will help you transition to the left side. And when you're ready, take your left leg, your left knee behind your left wrist, coming down into your sleeping swan on the left side. Begin with an upright spine. And when you're ready, tucking the chin into the chest and folding forward. We're reminded in this pose, all those who are weary, come to me. What is it that you're weary about, anxious about, or stressed about that you can fold into physically, lay down physically, mentally, and emotionally, and let go? Surrender it here to the earth, to God. On the next inhale, gently release the pose, coming up one vertebrae at a time. And this time, rolling over onto the left hip, excuse me, and extending the legs out in front of you. Straighten the legs, flex the toes and the feet, and then relax. Relax the hands, spine is straight. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, rolling, curling, bending forward into this caterpillar pose. Resting here, being still. Be still and know that I am God. Allow that to fill up your heart, your spirit, knowing, trusting, and believing you're safe. God is guiding you. Release and relax into the pose. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest, roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. And bring the soles of the feet together, moving our way into butterfly. And once you find where you feel you're ready to fold forward with a straight spine, close down the eyes, tuck the chin into the chest, and gently come forward. Enjoying this final pose before we close out with stillness, and just notice if you're still holding on to any stress, any anxiety. Do you still feel weary? If you have anything that is not of hope, of peace, let it go. And relax with your breath. And just be still. And know that I am God. And trust that all who are weary come to me. Allow yourself to let go, let God,
and be filled with His loving guidance. On the next inhale, very gently roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Bring the knees together. Maybe take a little windshield wiper to release any extra little bit of tension and tightness in the hips and the back. And when you're ready, join me in an upright seated position. Bringing the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Close down your eyes. Be still and know that I am God. Rest right here in this moment, in this stillness, to receive His guiding grace. Thank you for taking the time to practice with me today, and may the peace that surpasses all understanding stay with you for the rest of your day.